We lost half of our farm in the bushfires. Watching other people in the community lose their places, I felt like we couldn't move on without marking it in time, and that's why I wanted to make a permanent sculpture that would give people a place to come and reflect on what happened. Yeah, that's where it all began.
Lobethal Bushland Park is a really special place to many people in the Adelaide Hills, and it was severely impacted in the Cudlee Creek bushfire. But it has also become a place of hope as it's regenerated and as the wildlife and the birds have come back and the greenery has come back. It's become a really important symbol for many people.
I think public art can offer a common focus. So it provided a venue for people to come together and share their stories, a project that could listen to everybody's ideas and then distill it.
As the artist who designed the idea, it was really important that we really gave people what they were asking for. So I think that we got that right, and I hope that people see it that way too.
This is a sculpture made of Corten steel. It's got a lovely rusty dark patina on it, and it's also really tactile.
I guess I got thinking about what happens in a fire. I wanted to show that impact on the environment.
Jerome is very clever and did some sketches and said, hey, how does this look?
I had thought of this way to work in steel for a long time and was really looking for an excuse to have a go. So thanks for that.
So the seat is an integral part of the sculpture. It's a place offering a spot to reflect.
In a way, because the sculpture disappears from the side view, the bench is great because it draws people out into this area, and then they sit down and they go, oh, hang on a minute, what's that?
So much more than meets the eye. Underneath we've got a canister that's got the words and collected treasures from community members that are held deep inside the ground here.
There is actually a poem etched onto a stainless steel lid, and this poem is called Happiness. It was a collaboration between the community and poet Dave Chappell.
I am just so proud of what has been achieved. I think it's a piece that works on many levels, and that people can come and acknowledge the story of the community, their experience through the 2019 bushfire, but also look and find the positives.
Adelaide Hills Council are really proud to have supported the development and the installation of this beautiful sculpture. And we'd like to thank the South Australian and Commonwealth governments for their funding support for this project under the disaster recovery funding arrangements.